Welcome to lesson 7. In this module, we're going to learn about landmarks. So what are landmarks? When we play the piano and we start to read music, when we want to be able to play a score, that's what that is called, a printed music from a book or from a sheet of music, we are going to have a lot of different notes. So we have to have certain landmarks that are going to help us get it started, okay? So I'm going to teach you today 3 landmarks. There are other landmarks, but for the purpose of this course, right now we're going to learn only 3 landmarks, and they're super easy. So as you recall in a previous lesson, we learned the white keys, okay? I'm going to review that really quick. C, right before the 2 black keys, we're going to have the letter C, okay? Then you have D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again, it's always a good idea to practice forwards and practice backwards to get yourself really used to moving around the keys. Now, the very first note we're going to name is C. Okay, so this is the letter C. Now, as you know, there are several C's around the piano, going up, going down, as I showed you before. For this lesson, we're going to name middle C. Now, how do I know it's middle C? Well, it's in the middle area of the piano, the middle section of the piano. If you have perhaps a piano that has a name on it, mine right now says Essex, okay? Some pianos are going to say Yamaha or whatever brand, Baldwin or whatever brand it is. It doesn't really matter. That's generally where the middle of the piano is going to be. If you don't have a name on your piano, it's okay. You can just kind of figure it out right from the middle, where the middle. Obviously, if you set really high, that would not be the middle, or really low, not going to be the middle. So you find where that middle is, and then you're going to call that middle C, okay? Now remember intervals. We learned intervals. We did seconds, thirds, fourths, and fifths. So to find my next landmark, I'm going to need a fifth, okay? 1 from C. And always make sure that you count, when you're counting intervals, is always from the note. Never count like after the note. So when you say 1, bam, it's right on 1. It's on that note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? If you were to go middle C and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would land on the wrong note. So that's why I'm emphasizing the importance of counting the first note as being your 1, okay? So again, let's go back to counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So I go up a fifth and I land on treble G, okay? Awesome. So that's our second landmark. That's what we're gonna need to know. Second landmark, treble G, okay? And then from our middle C, again, we're going to count 5 down. Again, remember, you gotta count from your first note, from C. That's your 1, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? This is gonna be bass F. All right, so to review, we need middle C, treble G, and bass F. Bass F normally is played with the left hand. Treble G is normally played with the right hand, although as you progress, you're going to see that things can change a little bit. But in the beginning, when you're starting to read the notes, that's where you're going to find. And middle C can be for your right, or it can be for your left, okay? It can go one way or the other, or sometimes you even find books that you're going to be sharing the C. Sometimes you just share, and then you interchangeably allow the fingers to take turns playing the C, okay? So there is a little fun song I like to sing, and it's kind of fun to do this with a song. And this I learned a long time ago from a previous mentor, and really fun to do, and then helps you remember, okay? When you attach music to something, usually you're going to remember a lot faster, and it's going to stay permanently in your memory, which is perfect. So this one goes like this. This is the sound of middle C. And then we're going to go to treble G. This is the sound of treble G. And then we're going to go to bass F. This is the sound of bass F. Now, just one little thing that I want you to remember, make sure that they're always 5 apart from middle C. So, one word of advice, do not call this note right here bass F, okay? Because it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 from middle C going up, so that's wrong. We don't want to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our treble G. So for you to really have that bass F, you have to go 5 below from middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So have some fun with that. Sing around, play around, memorize those 3 notes because they're going to be incredibly helpful to help you play the piano and actually read the music. Okay? So I'll see you in the next module.